Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Here is Mohammad Anas, a proud alumnus of anesthesia technology from College of Medical Technology, BKMC Mardan. I'm here to invite you for an amazing workshop on epidural anesthesia, which going to be arranged at College of Medical Technology by our respective teacher. Um, as you know, like anesthesia paradigm is gonna shift from general anesthesia to the regional anesthesia and monitored anesthesia care. So this workshop is really highly relevant and demanding skills for anesthesia professional. Reflecting upon my previous workshop where I had the privilege of being a speaker for difficulty airway management, which boost up my confidence and sharpen my clinical skills knowledge. So if you feel a gap in your practice or simply want to top up your professional clinical skills, this is the right place to be. Learn, connect and grow. So get registered for tomorrow. See you there tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.